Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to find Google Meet call history. So do you ever need to look up your past Google Meet calls for reference or follow up? In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily find the Google Meet call history so you can keep track of your meetings and review important details. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open your browser and go to google.com. Ensure that you are signed into your Google account used to schedule or join Google Meet calls. So Google Meet calls are scheduled via Google Calendar, so your call history can often be found in your Google Calendar. So how do you do that? You're going to have to open your Google Calendar, which is what I'm going to do there. So you can also open your search bar using a browser of your choice and type in calendar.google.com so it can take you there. So look for the specific date and time of the meeting you want to find in your calendar. So look for the specific date and time, and I don't have any meeting scheduled. But once you do that, when you click on the event, you will see you'll be able to see the meeting details, including the Google Meet link and any dial-in phone numbers used. Now this can serve as a record of past meetings. Also, you can check Google Meet for recent meetings. Head over to Google Meet if you're looking for recent Google Meet meetings that you've joined or hosted. Open Google Meet at meet.google.com, and on the left hand side you're going to see upcoming. Left hand side under upcoming, I don't have any upcoming meetings. You'll see a list of your recent meetings. All right, so the meetings that you have participated in will appear in this list for a short time after the end. So clicking on the past meeting will show you the meeting details. All right, so you can also use Google Meet's recent calls for direct join history. So open Google Meet on your browser at meet.google.com. On the home page, look for the recent call section here. Then click on any meeting to see the details like the meeting link and the time you joined. And if you received an invite for a Google Meet call, your Gmail account should have a record of it. So open Gmail and search for Google Meet or the specific meeting name or code. This will show all emails containing a Google Meet link, along with information about when the meeting was scheduled. So I'll go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you're good to go. That's it. That's how you can know how to access Google Meet call history, whether through Google Calendar, Google Meet recent calls, or Gmail. It's easy to find the meetings that you need.